the tactic was a little bit different. What I said, we can play in different styles, different tactics. I think it's a good point from our team. We train also good in different styles of playing football. I think the first match was more like a 4-2-3. I was the defensive midfielder, number 6, in front of the defense. They play with 2 strikers the first game, so it was necessary that I was between the central defenders to make sometimes a 5-4-1, like we trained as well. Very good. With the 4-2-3 the first game, I can drop sometimes, so I became sometimes the central defender. The coach let me free in that role, so I can take the ball, run with the ball, play, pass the ball. I think this match, also their coach was a little bit putting the players in front and in my back, so it was a little bit difficult for me to play with the ball. But I think as a team, also with the Halder now in the midfield, good player, first time together. Also the last match with other players was very good. But this match was a little bit more difficult for me to get the ball.
Untuk coach? Ya. Kalau untuk coach, gimana coach pendapat Maksudnya, memang strateginya dari awal memang menempatkan Ivan?
Yang jelas dua game plan yang berbeda, Ivan melakukan ini dengan baik. Ya, saya pikir kita butuh dia. Hanya doakan saja nanti PSSI bisa melakukan pembicaraan yang baik supaya nanti Ivan juga bisa main di sini.
Coach made me the captain of the team. Credit to the coach, of course. Very grateful for it. My role is now, I played some matches with the first team. I think I have experience with some other guys. And I think I'm a positive guy, so I'm good with everyone, also the locals. I know a lot of people here in Indonesia, also in the team. And also outside the pitch, I'm good with everyone. So I think it's a good role for me, and so far it went well.
How do you handle the pressure?
I don't feel pressure because the coach is very kind also to me. Also on the pitch, he don't give me too much task. He only expects hard work, leadership, and that I can help the other people.
Oke, baik teman-teman, setelah selesai sesi post match conference,